Hello, everyone, and welcome to Taste of Thoughts. Dr. Irina, welcome today as well.
Thank you, thank you.
And what do you have in store for us today?
We have so many holidays. We also have, in addition to Christmas, we have Hanukkah, Festival
right.
of Lights. So we'll cook something for those people who celebrate Hanukkah. And Hanukkah, it's all about fried food. By the way, it is not, since it is usually close to Christmas, it is not related to this at all. So it's completely different, like a holiday by itself. And the meaning, it is a celebration of light, actually the oil, which lasted 8 nights instead of just 1 night. Olive oil, which I use everywhere. So usually, as I mentioned, traditional food is frying food, and one of them, potato latkes. So it is grated potatoes and white flour, and they're fried in deep oil and served for dinner. But we are following low glycemic index lifestyle, so we cannot use potatoes and we cannot use white flour. So what we are going to do? Are we going to dismiss all holiday? By replacing just a couple of ingredients, we are getting completely new meal, healthy and delicious, and meet all requirements for Hanukkah. So let's start. We are going to make zucchini latkes.
Zucchini Latkes. And this is going to have a low glycemic index, and it's going to be good for you.
Good for you, yes. And we'll cook it on olive oil. So we'll celebrate Festival of Lights. Is it okay if I ask you to grate this?
Of course.
So on the big grater, we are going to grate. You can remove the skin, but I like it like this because it adds green to the latkes. And actually, skin is healthy thing. It is washed very well. And now we are going to grate it on the big one.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Meanwhile, I'll cook scallions on olive oil also. You see, teamwork is important.
Teamwork, right.
Actually, it doesn't take too long to cook this kind of meal. Our goal is to avoid gaining holiday pounds, because it's a whole topic, gaining holiday pounds. And yes, people are suffering because you want it or you don't want it. You are going from one table to another table. And yes, in January, this is the #1 resolution.
Everyone wants to make a New Year's resolution that they're going to lose weight.
Right.
And your idea is don't put it on in the first place.
Exactly, right. It's easier, always easier to prevent than treat, right?
Okay.
You're done? This is good. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
This looks very nice and springy, yes. It is good to press it a little bit. That's why we actually did it in this kind of dish.
So you're taking all of the juice out of
All
it?
of the juice. Actually, there is not much juice there,
Not much at all.
but just a little bit will be helpful.
It was the quality of the shredding that did it.
Exactly. Yeah. And I think this is wonderful. Yeah, it's just a
Not
little
much.
bit. So
Wasn't much at all.
Would you please?
Yep. You don't need this?
No, I need.
You need?
I need
Okay.
it without juice. So our zucchini looks very nice. Very, very, very nice. Now what we need, we'll place a little bit of Greek yogurt. You can use any 0% fat yogurt, but Greek yogurt is thicker, so it performs its role better because we don't need liquid. We want it to be more structured. We'll add about 4 eggs. For 1 zucchini, 4 eggs, it's nice. I like more eggs usually. It gives very good taste. And eggs are healthy thing. We'll do everything simultaneously. So, the scallions are ready. We'll let them cool a little bit because I have still several ingredients to add. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. We'll also add a little bit of baking powder, just to make them fluffy.
Ah, fluffier. Okay. Baking powder does that.
Just a little bit, maybe 1/4 of. The last thing we add, they're the cooked scallops. Well, don't know, maybe they're overcooked a little bit. But maybe not. We mix everything together. Zucchini, 0% Greek yogurt, eggs, salt, pepper, and a little bit of baking powder. Well, but we are not done, right? Because we cannot cook this kind of butter. So we need to add flour, but we cannot use white flour. The flour I highly recommend to use is oatmeal flour. You can buy it or you can make it by yourself. The difference is huge. The glycemic index of oatmeal flour is twice as low as white flour. It is only 40, which is medium, actually closer to low. So if we add it to this vegetable mix, we avoid gaining after holiday pounds.
So oatmeal,
Oatmeal, yeah.
half the glycemic index value.
Absolutely, yes, which is good. It means that when we eat these latkes, the blood sugar is not jumping up. Oh, this is nice and green. Well, should be actually. Maybe I'll put more.
So the consistency should be a little more
Because this
solid.
it should be like a Greek yogurt, a little bit thicker than the Greek yogurt, because we want to put it on the skillet. Like, yeah, this will be nice, probably. Maybe a little more. So totally, I think I placed about a cup for this big zucchini. Well, our skillet is ready. And all we need is add olive oil, because Hanukkah is all about frying food. And we'll start cooking our milk. All we need to put about 1 tablespoon to the thick skillet with olive oil. It should be hot. The skillet should be hot, especially at the beginning. Then we'll lower the temperature a little bit to make latkes cooked all through inside. I'm making them really big, but it's fine. So what we'll wait until the goldish and raising a little bit. It shouldn't be too cold, but like this. Looks nice.
Looks very good.
Let's see if one side is ready. Yes.
Oh, that looks
The color
great.
looks good.
Oh, that
Yes.
looks so good.
Of course, better when they're eaten right away, but actually you can also reheat them next day or next meal. At this point, when you cook the second side, it's better to put the heat in medium, so the inside, they'll be cooked inside well.
So just lower the heat a little bit.
Just allow the heat to, not too low, but to medium, from high to medium.
Now,
And
if you were going to reheat them the second day, how would you do that? Would you do that in a microwave oven, or would you do that in a skillet like you're doing right there?
microwave is good enough.
Microwave's good.
Microwave is good. You can arrange it just on the dish and microwave for maybe 1 minute, maybe minute and a half maximum.
Just to get it nice and warm.
Yes. But definitely when they're right from the skillet and crispy, it's
Yeah.
absolutely
The best time, right?
It's the best time, but it's maybe for whole meal. That's it. They are ready. Our first portion is ready. And we'll transfer them to a beautiful blue dish. Colors of Hanukkah, they're blue and white.
Oh, Hanukkah colors, blue and white. Okay.
Here, our Hanukkah latkes, zucchini latkes, which are made in a healthy way with oatmeal flour and zucchini. Do you mind to try it?
I am waiting. I am just looking at that. It looks so great. It smells so good.
Yes.
My favorite part of the program, by the way.
Oh, yes. You can eat it like this, but you can also add a little bit Greek yogurt on this. Whatever, it's up to you. Up to you. So,
Okay.
let me help you put this. So, what do you think? You'll
Sure.
try with yogurt?
Yeah, oh, some of that. Love yogurt anyway. Good.
I'll put just one side if you don't like, so you.
Okay, here we go. Gonna try the latkes first.
Right. They're green.
I can taste the eggs and the zucchini. It has a good flavor.
Yeah, I would add more salt, but it is always my
That's
my point. Always to
that's everybody's
don't
taste.
listen to me. Oh yeah, delicious,
They really are. I'm gonna try this with the yogurt now.
and they're very light. You eat them, they're light. Because there is no bad carbs.
They are really. They are fluffy, if I can use that word. They're light. They're very tasty.
So we can keep traditions, keep traditional meal, and make it healthier. And avoid gaining after holiday pounds.
Good healthy meal.
Right?
No weight gain.
No.
Enjoyable. Very enjoyable to eat. And you've done it once again. Dr. Irina. Thank you very much.
Thank you, enjoy.
Dr. Irina has written a book, Taste of Thoughts. You can find this. And she also has a website where a lot of recipes.
Yes, and this
are,
recipe is
there.
also there, yeah. This recipe is also on the website, so you can take a look for more precise ingredients if you want.
It's just great. Zucchini Latkes.
Yes.
Well, thank you very much for watching.
Thank you.
And we'll see you next time, and happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah.